Okay.
Hey guys, it's Shamika. Welcome back to the Her Business. In my kitchen, I'm making myself some tea. I was peeling myself an orange, and I thought to myself, why don't I just do the rice water video now? Got myself a bowl of rice, and I got myself some orange peels, and I'm gonna show you how to make rice water that does not smell. Got my rice water in. This is what we're gonna do is rinse it off. So all I'm gonna do now is basically just wash the rice, and don't play in the rice, like actually wash it like you're washing something, so the starch will come out, because that's what we're going to use for your hair. So I have the rice water all in here. This is all rice water. There is no other thing. And I got some orange peels. I was just peeling the orange, so that's why it's looking like that.
Twenty minutes later. Oh, this is the rice water. Look at how it turned, like all the white stuff is like settled at the bottom. I heard this part is very nutritional. Also, when I watched the video, the lady said that she's not using rice water to grow her hair. She's just using it so that it will stay black when she gets older, because that's what it was basically used for. That's the main thing that they found rice water is useful for, to make it your hair stay black, like remain the same color like you were born with. And you know, when you get older, your hair turns gray, it turns white, and then you have a full head of gray hair, whatever. Some people just don't like that, so rice water actually helps with that. So yeah, and she said that after she did this, at this point, she took it out like a week later. I mean, she opened it a week later, and she said it did not smell. So I'm opening it 2 weeks later because I forgot to open it last week. Oh goodness. This is how it's looking at the top. It smells like tangerines. Yep, it don't smell bad at all no more. It smells like tangerines. It just still has like a weird-ish taste. I mean, not taste, smell. Guys, this is the rice water that doesn't smell like, it smells like tangerines. And I feel like it's because it was boiled. Because some people say, oh, just add in some orange peels or add in some oil. If you need to boil it to help like get the citrusy flavors out of it, you know? So if you really want to try the rice water and you don't like the smell of it, just boil the water and the orange peels first and then just let it cool off. It can cool off for a day or a week or 2 weeks, a month. It can cool off for as long as you want. But I do believe that it's better if you boil it first. So okay, that's all folks. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos.